This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by choosing a stable mount location for the Helix 7 display on your console. Place the transducer where it has a clean flow of water and no turbulence from props. Connect the transducer cable to the transducer port and secure all cable routing with clips. Wire the Helix 7 to a fused 12V power source and keep the positive lead within 3 feet of the battery. Tighten the mount knobs and angle the screen to avoid glare for better daytime visibility. Press the power button to turn the Helix 7 on and observe the startup logo. Watch the bottom soft keys and use the large buttons to open Sonar, Maps, and menu functions. On Sonar view, adjust sensitivity and range to clarify fish arches and bottom returns. Use zoom and split screen to inspect structure at different depths. Mark waypoints by pressing the waypoint key, entering a name, and saving coordinates instantly for return navigation. Access advanced sonar and choose chirp, down imaging, or side imaging for more detailed returns. Adjust frequency and pulse settings to suit depths under 200 feet and reduce noise. Use range and sensitivity together to sharpen fish arches and structure separation on the 7-inch screen. Enable Auto Chart Live if recording bathymetry to a micro SD card for immediate mapping. Network multiple Humminbird units to share sonar and waypoint.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.